Hi, if you are curious whether your Google Pixel Watch 3 supports NFC, let's figure it out together. To determine if the watch is equipped with NFC, we'll need to start by opening Settings. So swipe down from the watch face and here choose the Settings icon. Now we need to search for Connectivity tab because NFC is placed here. Tap it, scroll a bit down, and yep, NFC is included. So to actually turn it on, you will need to tap on the switcher and it will light up yellow like that. Then in Tap and Pay, you can find that Google Pay is our default payment app. And now you need to simply tap 2 times on this crown and you'll see this option to add payment card. So tap here and then continue setting up on your phone. And after that, you would be able to double press your crown. Here select a card with the help of which you want to pay and simply hold your watch near reader like that to make contactless payments. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.